Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a call on Zalo. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To make a call on Zalo, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Zalo app. Then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is just simply select the messaging tab on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply tap on the contact you want to call, and then once you tap on it in the chat screen, simply tap on phone icon for a voice call and camera icon for a video call. Then once done, simply wait for the person to pick up and make sure both of your friends are on Zalo and have internet access or mobile data. Then on PC you can also simply log in by opening up the Zalo PC app and then heading over to the contacts or opening a chat. Then simply click the phone or video icon in the upper right corner of the screen, then the call will start immediately. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.